Hello, I'm Matt and welcome to Badger Workshop. I often get herbs from the supermarket and they come in those horrible plastic pots. I've repotted them in some terracotta pots and a plastic tray, but I want to make something a bit nicer to keep them in. I've got these scraps of treated 6x3 and I think they're left over from when I did the windows of the workshop. So I've cut them down and they're going to be the ends of my boxes. I can then get some pallet wood and work out how long the sides need to be, set up a stop and get them cut down on the miter saw. I don't want the sides to be one solid piece, I want them to be slats, so I'm just going to rip down these bits into slats on the table saw. Then I can start getting it put together. So I get some glue on those end pieces, then I can get the slats in place, get the nail gun and get some brads into it. I'm starting with doing the bottom, so 2 slats on the bottom. Going to have a gap in between, so if any water needs to drain out it can, but if any water overflows the tray I've got, I think I've done some severe overwatering. But then I suppose they might end up going outside when the weather gets better, so the rain can leak out the bottom. Anyway, I'm waffling, I'm thinking out loud now, sorry. So the sides go on in exactly the same way. And that's basically it put together. One incredibly simple project. I just want to add one little detail. I've got these little kind of fake brass or antiqued brass name plaques. I'm going to get them screwed on and then I'm going to put little labels in just to remind me what the herbs are. I'm sure I don't need the visual reminder, but it makes it look a bit shabby chic. I made 2 of these and now my cooking should taste much fresher. You're all welcome round for dinner. Thanks for watching. Thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.